Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve this interesting equation root x plus 3 plus root x minus 1 is equal to 5 for the value of x. So solution from here. We have our equation root x plus 3 plus root x minus 1 is equal to 5. From here I can square both sides. If I do that, I have that this one root x plus 3 plus root x minus 1 is in the form of a plus b squared, which is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So now if I just replace this root x plus 3 and root x minus 1 into a and b, I have that root x plus 3 squared plus root x minus 1 squared plus 2 into brackets root x plus 3 root x minus 1. So from here, square will cancel roots. I have x plus 3 plus this we cancel this out, x minus 1 plus 2, then roots x plus 3 x minus 1. So this is equal to 5 squared and equal to 5 squared, and 5 squared is 25. So from here, x plus x will give us 2x, and then 3 minus 1 will give us plus 2, then plus 2 roots. If we expand it, we have that x times x will give us x squared, and then x times minus 1 will give us minus x, 3 times x will give us plus 3x, and 3 times minus 1 give us minus 3 is equal to 25. So we have 2x plus 2 plus 2 roots x squared minus x plus 3x will give us plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 25. So from here, if I take this to this side, I have 2 roots x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 25. If all this comes to the right hand side, I have minus 2x minus 2. So from here, I have that 2 roots x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 25 minus 2 gives us 23 minus 2x. So now to eliminate these square roots, I will square both sides. Now I have square root 2 x squared plus 2x minus 3 squared is equal to 23 minus 2x squared. So from here, this we cancel this, and then we're left with 2 squared, which is 4, multiplying x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to this, which is 23 minus 2x, to bracket 23 minus 2x. So this becomes 4x squared plus 8x minus 12 is equal to 23 times 23, which is 529, and then this times this minus 46x, and then minus 46x is equal to plus 4x squared. From here, 4x squared, we cancel out 4x squared. We are left with 8x minus 12 is equal to 529 minus 46 minus 46x minus 46 gives us minus 92x. So from here we have 8x. If this come to left hand side, we have plus 92x is equal to 529, and then 12 comes to this side, plus 12. Now from here, this becomes 100x is equal to 529 plus 12, which is equal to 541. So dividing both sides by 100, we have 100x divided by 100 is equal to 541 divided by 100. So x, 100 cancels x, 100 cancels 100, x becomes 541 divided by 100. So this is our value for x. So now let's verify. Let's verify. So we have our equation roots x plus 3 plus roots x minus 1 is equal to 5. And then our x is equal to 541 divided by 100. So this becomes roots 541 divided 100 plus 3 plus roots 541 divided 100 minus 1 is equal to 5. So from here, this becomes 100 541 plus 300 plus 100 541 minus 100 is equal to 5. So from here we have roots 841 divided by 100 plus roots 441 divided by 100 is equal to 5. So the square root of 841 is 29, and the square root of 100 is 10, plus square root of 441, which is 21, and the square root of 100 is 10, is equal to 5. Now this becomes 10, 29 plus 21 is equal to 5. Now this is 29 plus 21, which is 50, divided by 10 is equal to 5. Now this is 5 is equal to 5. Now since our left hand side is equal to our right hand side, this proves that our solution for x is correct. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.